Well, hello, welcome, Williams, Philippines. I'm William. It is Sunday, March 29th at about 10:01 p.m. Uh, we had the brownout today, and so I went out. And I made a left. Somebody hit me, and well, yeah, I don't know if it shows there, but I know this shows. Yeah, surprisingly, the bike is okay. It landed on top of me. And I have spent most of the day after that at the hospital and church. And they gave me a tetanus shot there and there. I do not know why. You'd think they'd want to save needles. I don't know, but I got one here and one here. I'm doubly protected, I guess. I don't know. But then they got me my antibiotics. They wanted the tetanus because, well, big open wound and some minor pain relief because I can tell you tomorrow morning I'm not going to be real mobile or happy. And I came back to the house after swinging by and picking up uh, some hamburger. And they got this place called Nice Burgers, Nicey, and you get a pair of these for I think it's 56 or 61 cents for two of them. Buy one, take one. I got four of them, four orders of them, because I know I'm not going to fill up the cooking. And as soon as I got home, I ate four of them. I also got an egg sandwich. Well, egg and bacon with cheese sandwich. And I think that one was 68 cents. But it's only one. But it was good. uh, anyway, it's been a very weird day. And the brownout left the x ray machines offline. So I had to wait. And instead of waiting, I decided to ride over and go to a church session and then ride back to the hospital a little later after swinging by and getting some ice cream. Because, hey, when you're having a bad day, ice cream's a good thing. Yeah. But guess what? It really wasn't a bad day. I mean, I'm sore. I hurt. I had a wreck, but I'm alive. I'm kicking. I'm not pushing daisies. And the whole thing, I think, was under 3,000 for meds. Yeah, for meds, the uh, 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 shots, the doctor's visit, four X-rays. They wanted to check up here because I got poked over here in the side, so they did a X-ray of my chest. I'm not sure why, but I can tell you, I'm sore. Hey, life goes on. So I'm about to go ahead to the shower and get cleaned up. I've already eaten. Once I get done and posted, oh, yesterday's post, sorry, it didn't upload. So it's trying to do that right now. I don't know why it didn't. We'll get it figured out. Uh, yeah. Anyway, I'm sore. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. And I want to get cleaned up and snore. So, Williams, Philippines. I Really hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Found out that it's the Easter Sunday stuff, and I won't get my X-ray results until Thursday because apparently that's a holiday over here. So, yeah, a lot of things weren't doing aren't going to be working on Ash Wednesday. I think it is. Yeah, well, Wednesday. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I've had a very interesting day. I'm tired, I'm sore, but it's been a blessed day. Like I say, I survived. And yeah, I'm going to take, yeah, be thankful. You know, it could have been worse. Always remember, it can always be worse. Be thankful it wasn't. Because believe me, I know worse. I've been through worse. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Again, more food, more food. I might eat another one when I get out the shower. I haven't decided yet. Maybe two. But I'm going to need some of them left over for tomorrow because I can tell you tomorrow's going to be rough. uh, anyway, let's see. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you? You know what you want to do? It's your choice. Live your life. I'm like I say, I'm thankful it was uh, a mild thing, and yeah, the doctor's visit wasn't that bad, and I am quite happy to have been able to pay for it pretty much easily. Uh, yeah, go to an emergency room in America and get out for under $120. Yeah, uh, actually under $100. Yeah, 3K somewhere right around there. This day has been very interesting. I'll get back with you on the exact and everything. I got all the here. Later blessings. Bye bye. Williams, Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you? I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.